In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Premiere Pro using the Essential Graphics panel. Before we begin, make sure your project is open and your timeline is visible so you can see your results as you work. We'll start by creating the text. Select the Type tool, also known as the T key, and click directly in the program monitor to type your text. You'll see a new text layer appear on your timeline. If it lands in an unwanted track or isn't centered, don't worry, you can reposition it later. But for now, the goal is simply to get your text onto the timeline so we can style it. Next, let's open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the window menu at the top and choose Essential Graphics. This panel is where we'll control the look of our text. In the panel, make sure you've selected your text layer. If you're ever unsure what you've clicked on, just select the text in the program monitor and it will target the correct layer inside Essential Graphics. Now we're ready to apply the gradient. In the Appearance section of the Essential Graphics panel, you'll see a Fill option. By default, it's a solid color. Change that to Gradient Fill. You'll be given a choice between linear and radial. Linear creates a smooth transition along a straight line, great for left to right or top to bottom blends. Radial creates a circular or elliptical transition from the center outward, which is perfect for spotlight style looks or drawing attention to a focal point. Pick your colors by clicking the color stops in the gradient controls. A helpful tip is to choose colors with enough contrast so the text stays readable against your background. If you went with linear, adjust the angle to control the direction of the blend. For example, 0 degrees runs horizontally while 90 degrees runs vertically. If you chose radial, adjust the spread or scale to decide how quickly the gradient moves from the inner color to the outer color. To refine the look, you can adjust the opacity to let some of the background show through or keep it fully opaque for strong, punchy titles. Adding a stroke can help your text stand out on busy footage. Choose a color that complements your gradient rather than competing with it. A subtle shadow can also add depth. Keep the distance and softness modest so it enhances rather than distracts from the gradient. Finally, preview everything in the program monitor. Play back a few seconds and look for readability, color balance, and how the gradient behaves over your footage. Make small adjustments in the Essential Graphics panel until it feels just right.